West of Romania, near the borders with Hungary and Serbia, lies Resita, a town where industry is at home. The first furnace opened here 250 years ago, and steel is still pouring hot in our factories. Over the centuries, we've produced steel, turbines, machines, locomotives, and energy, harvesting the rich resources of the mountains, water dams, and rivers around. Resita is opening to new businesses. With a new leadership committed to development and growth, Resita is the place to invest for industry companies interested in Western Romania. We are conveniently located close to Romania's western borders. The highway access is just 1 hour away. Just 100 kilometers northwest, you'll find a well-connected airport, flourishing service and university center in Timișoara. The local business environment in Resita is a mix of production activities, ranging from automotive to food industry, energy, and manufacturing. These industries build on a pool of local workforce of 320,000 people located within a 1 hour daily commute. The local workforce has a long-standing background in industry training, supported by vocational schools, which profile numerous technical qualifications and skills, including the dual school training system. Eftimie Mureș University, based in Resita, generates graduates in engineering, economics and accounting, and has a generous educational campus right in the city centre. Resita is ready to welcome investments. Here you'll find a fully serviced industrial zone with leasable lot sizes to fit all your needs, and our prompt assistance and guidance throughout all stages of authorization. Property taxes are unbeatable, and concession fares are very competitive. Investors can also opt for customized warehouses to be constructed on demand for rent or sale, tailored to the company's needs. Enjoy Resita while running your business from here. We are sure you'll enjoy spending your time not in traffic jams or daily commutes, but navigating our forests, nearby lakes, picturesque natural parks, and gorges. Living here is a treat for nature lovers, as the town combines a stress-free, slow-paced life with city perks of culture, sports, and entertainment facilities.
Make Resita part of your business plan. Our City Hall will be your active partner.